In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find drafts email on Outlook on PC. 5 minutes. Let's jump right in by opening Outlook on your PC. If you use the desktop app, launch it as you normally would. If you prefer Outlook in a browser, that's fine too. Just sign into your account. Either way, once Outlook is open, the process is the same idea. We're heading to the place where Outlook stores messages you've started but haven't sent yet. Take a look at the left side of your Outlook window. This area is called the folder list or navigation pane. It's where you see your inbox, sent items, trash or deleted items, and more. If this panel looks compressed or you only see icons, hover your mouse over it or click the small arrow to expand it. If you have more than one email account added, you'll see a set of folders for each account, so make sure you're looking under the right one. Now within that folder list, find the folder labeled Drafts. Sometimes Drafts appears under a favorites section at the top, and other times it's listed under your account's full folder tree. If you don't spot it immediately, scroll down the list or click any small disclosure arrows to expand a collapsed folders area. The Drafts folder is built into Outlook, so it will be there especially if you've ever started an email and closed it before sending. Go ahead and click Drafts. As soon as you open it, Outlook displays all the emails you've started but haven't sent. Think of this as your work in progress shelf. From here you can quickly scan the subject lines and recipients to find the message you want. If the list is long, you can use the search box at the top of Outlook to narrow things down by keyword or recipient, and then make sure the Drafts folder is selected so your results focus on unsent messages. To continue writing a draft, double click it to open or select it and choose to open it in the reading pane if you prefer. Outlook automatically saves changes to drafts as you type, so you don't need to worry about losing your progress. When you're done, click send as usual. If you spot a draft you no longer need, right click it and delete it to keep things tidy. That's it. Open Outlook, check the left folder list, click Drafts, and you'll see all your unsent messages ready to finish. If you keep Drafts in your favorites, you'll always have it one click away. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly where your drafts live in Outlook on your PC.